In this video, you're going to learn how to do Pinterest affiliate marketing as a complete beginner in this 2024. I'm also going to show you the best tool to use as a complete beginner if you're just starting out on Pinterest affiliate marketing in this 2024. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mike Overs, and if you find help in this video, please make sure to like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. The next thing I want to show you as a complete beginner if you're just starting out on Pinterest affiliate marketing is doing keyword research. Now you want to do keyword research to make your content rank number one on Pinterest. The best tool for you to use is called Ahrefs. This tool Ahrefs is a tool used by every content creator on Google, YouTube, and every other social media platforms. This tool will help you rank your content by doing keyword research, and the pricing at the end of the month is about $99 per month if you're just starting out as a complete beginner. So the amount you're going to be paying for this tool is $99. I guess they've changed the price. This standard price is now $249. But ladies and gentlemen, what I want to show you is this what the tool is. Let's go to the dashboard of this tool. Now this tool is an SEO dashboard. Now it says instantly spot change in all important SEO metrics. It gives you good health, good domain ranking. Let me go down. Referring domain and backlinks. It also gives you domain. This is how the tool works. You see, and these keywords here, I actually have a screenshot. I don't want to go deep down on this kind of this tool, but I actually have a screenshot down here of my own screenshot I've took of this tool here. Now this is the screenshot. So what you want to do when you get to Pinterest is all about typing the exact keyword you want to search on Pinterest. Now if you want to search on Pinterest, this is the tool I just showed you, Ahrefs. I'm actually going to leave the keyword the link down below in my description for you to get access to the link. So if you want to search for something, this is how the tool works. When you type in pinterest.com/, then you can now type in the niche you're actually into. Now for example, I use the word living room. This living room, it's going to give me related keywords like 2 colors combination living room. You can see we have Japandi living room. You can see we have luxury living room. You can see we have dark brown coach living room ideas. You can also see we have small house open concept kitchen and living rooms. Now what I want to show you is this. Let's go to this place. Let's go to Canva. Now in this place here, I can just say new furniture living rooms, right? These are the current living rooms we have in country, in these modern days right now. So if you want to post a pin on Pinterest, I can just say, let me click on this. I don't really have a paid plan for this yet, but what I'm going to do is, if I want to post a pin on this, I can just screenshot it like this. Let me screenshot it for you. I can just screenshot it like this. I can just screenshot it. Let me do the screenshot. Just watch me do everything live here. I can just do the screenshot like this, then take the capture. Then what you're not going to do is you want to go to pinterest.com. So what you want to do on pinterest.com is you want to create a pin. Now this is how we're going to do it. We're going to click on this plus button here, and we go to pin. So you can now come to this pin here. You can now come to this pin here, which says choose a pin for your pin. Now we're going to go to the screenshot we just posted. We just made recently. So we are going to type in best living rooms for the modern days. Best living engine living rooms MS for the modern MORDE and days, or let me not say modern days, modern. I guess my spelling is not correct. MOR MO MODERN, modern. Best living rooms for modern, let me just say 2024. So in that case, I've made my keyword already, like I showed you recently, which is something like modern boho living rooms. I can just copy some of these related keywords down here, because all the keywords here are all related to each other. So what I'm going to do is I can now add my description. Your description can be based on what you're actually talking about on your Pinterest board or pin. Now what you want to do is you want to go down again, you want to add link. Your link can be your affiliate link, as which you want to use to make money, and your board. You know how to create Pinterest board? Let me not go too far in that. Choose a board, then you can put a tagged topic. Now the tagged topic is going to be your related keyword for this topic, exactly as I've showed you before. This keyword here, modern boho living rooms, then 2-column combination for living room. The other one says Japan. What you want to do is copy all of this, because they're all related to each other. Then you can now come here and paste them here. Then you can now click publish at a later date. You don't want to click that, because you want your content to go viral right now. You want to go live. You cannot go for more options, and once you're done with that, you hit publish on this side. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the best video, as I just showed you, on how to do Pinterest affiliate marketing. And the right tool for you to use is Ahrefs. This tool, over 1 million people have been using it. I guess let me go to the homepage. Over billions of people have been seeing everything you need to rank higher and get more traffic. This is what this tool is all about. Over 14,000 users joined Ahrefs in the last 7 days. Ahrefs webinar master tools. We don't want to go that, because that's a long journey. Let me go down here. All-in-one SEO tool set. Ladies and gentlemen, I just told you before that this tool is the best tool. Now this tool can help you analyze your competitors and Site Explorer. It also audit and optimize your website site audit. Even if you don't have a website, you can also use this tool. This tool is meant for SEO research on any content or any website that's on Google. You can also use it to do research for YouTube if you want to search for keywords that have been searched on YouTube. Now let's go down again and see what they're actually talking about more again. It helps you find keywords your customers are searching for, which is using the keyword explorer as I've showed you here in the screenshot. This is where it is. You type in pinterest.com/your niche, example living room. Now it's going to give you suggestion of many of all of this. So what you just do is copy and paste on Pinterest. Like I've showed you. You just paste your title there, you paste your title here, add your description. I'm not going to do that because of much of a time for the sake of this video. I'm just going to go straight to the point on what you need to know about making money doing affiliate marketing. So it also help you find keywords your customers are searching for. It also track your ranking progress, and also discover content ideas and link opportunities. Ladies and gentlemen, I bet you if you buy this tool, there's no complaint and doubt that you should say this tool does not work or does not really worth it. I bet you if you do the best thing and do the right thing, exactly I showed you, you see this website is called wordcount.com/, meaning on this website that they typed here, like I've showed you in this my screenshot here. Let me minimize it down so you can see what I'm saying. You see that I typed in pinterest.com/, you see that, and somebody even in the tool itself, they typed in this same thing. You see that they typed in this same thing. And if they type in, let me assume I want to click on make money online, and I typed in make money online here, you see it's going to bring out the related backlinks, everything about the keyword and related keywords of that same topic niche. Let us go down again. I'm going to show you more. I'm actually doing all of this because I want you to see clarification of what this tool actually works for. Now, best in class SEO data. We've been crawling the web for over 10 years, collecting and processing petabytes of data every day. Ahrefs is the most active web crawler among all SEO tools. This is the best SEO tools I've ever recommended to anyone starting out any online business using Pinterest, TikTok, YouTube, Google, and whatsoever website that he or she wants to create content on. Ladies and gentlemen, if you find this video helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this, and I'll see you all in my next videos.